Tell me, have you ever been to a Chinese restaurant, wanted to order food, but feel too nervous to speak Chinese? You are not alone. Today we are going to fix that together for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to order food in Chinese, confidently and naturally. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Here I teach you Chinese in a simple and everyday way. Today we are going to learn how to order food in Chinese. And I have summarized 3 main sentence structure for you. They mean almost the same thing, but different ways to ask for things you need. Let's get started. Structure 1. 请给我 Please give me. Structure 2. 我想要 I would like. Structure 3. 可以给我吗 Can you give me? Don't worry, we will get into each one and make examples for you. We will start from entering the restaurant to paying and even taking leftovers home. First, when you walk in, the waiter normally will ask you, 您几位? How many people do you have? Your answer can be 一位, 两位, 三位, means 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, etc. So the answer is very easy. You just need to say the number plus 位. Repeat after me. 一位两位三位 Great! Now you have sitting by the table and ready to order. Here comes our first important sentence. 请给我 We will start from 请给我菜单 Please give me the menu. Fun fact about Chinese words. In English, you just say menu. It's one simple word. While in Chinese, the word 菜单 is made by 2 separate characters. 菜 and 单 菜 means dish. 单 means list. So put them together, dish list, menu. I hope this helps you to remember this word. Repeat after me. 请给我菜单 Okay, now you get the menu and you are ready to order. Our second important sentence. 我想要 I would like. Example. 我想要宫保鸡丁、米饭和可乐 I would like 宫保 chicken, rice, and Coke. I don't know why, but all my foreign friends love this dish. So you maybe also want to give it a try. Repeat after me. 我想要宫保鸡丁、米饭和可乐And normally, after you made your order, the waiters would ask you, 有忌口吗? Which means, do you have any dietary restrictions? So if you have any allergies, this is a chance to let them know. Now, the third key sentence. 可以给我吗? This is applied question form. Examples. 可以给我一杯水吗? Can you give me a glass of water? By the way, the water in Chinese restaurant is normally for free. Or you can also say, 可以给我一个叉子吗? Can you give me a fork? In case you don't enjoy using chopsticks. Repeat after me. 可以给我一杯水吗? "可以给我一个叉子吗? Okay, now you finish eating and you want to pay and leave. What should you say? You can say 买单 or 结账. Both means bill, please. Repeat after me. 买单结账 And if you have leftover food to pack, after telling them you want to pay, you can say 打包 Please pack it up. Repeat after me. 打包 Now let's review the 3 key sentences to ask for something we learned today. 请给我，我想要，可以给我吗？ Alright, now let's do a small dialogue practice. You are the customer and I'm the waitress. 您好，欢迎光临，您几位？好的，2位里面请。好的，给您。您有什么忌口吗？好的，喝的有需要的吗？没问题，马上来。您好，您的餐齐了，请您慢用。好的，一共是100块。欢迎您下次再来。Good job. Practice these lines, and next time when you go to a Chinese restaurant, just speak. What is your favorite Chinese food? Let me know in the comments. I hope you learned something from today's video. If so, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Next time, we will learn how to ask and describe directions in Chinese. You wouldn't want to miss it. See you next time. Bye bye.